Hey, dementia caregivers, Lisa Williver here from At Home with Dementia. And today we're answering the question, how can you prepare your loved one for an outing? Now, outings come in all shapes and sizes. Sometimes you're just running to a doctor appointment. Sometimes you're going to the pharmacy or a food store. Wherever you're going, you should put a little thought into it before you get there, especially if you're going to a place where your loved one will be around people who don't know them for any extended period of time. So if you're taking them to the beauty parlor or the barber shop, one of the things you may want to do is call ahead and just let the stylist or the barber know that your loved one is suffering from mild to moderate dementia. There may be lots of repetition, there may be lots of questions, there may be some confusion, but if you give them a heads up, surely they've come across people with dementia and they'll take a little extra care and they will make sure that your loved one is having a really nice experience. And the same goes for other medical professionals. While your loved one's primary care doctor surely knows that they have dementia, you have to also make sure you give a heads up to a dentist, eye doctor, podiatrist, any doctor that they see that is not aware of their condition, especially if it's doctors they only see maybe once or twice a year or every other year. So a phone call or getting there a little early and having your loved one stay in the waiting room and just passing a note to the receptionist just so everybody there is aware, it will make the visit that much smoother and that much more pleasant for your loved one. And if you're going to a place that will have big crowds, you might want to wait and do that on an off-peak time. For instance, a shopping mall or a museum. If you know a museum will be filled with school children during the day and that might make your loved one nervous, pick a time when you know that it's not going to be very crowded. And generally, if you call and explain your situation and ask, staff at most establishments will be very helpful and they'll let you know some of the best times to go. The one thing you don't want to do is avoid taking your loved one out for outings. Outings can be great. It's such a wonderful change of scenery. Just make sure prior to the outing, you've got everything figured out and anyone who needs to be aware of your loved one's situation has been made aware. For more ideas, solutions, and tips, click on to the next video. Don't forget to join At Home with Dementia, and thanks for watching.